Jbs S.A. is a Brazilian company that is the largest food processing company in the world, producing factory-processed beef, chicken and pork, and also selling byproducts from the processing of these meats. It is headquartered in São Paulo. It was founded in 1953 in Anapolis, Goias. The company has 150 industrial plants around the world. History: JBS was initially established as a slaughtering business by rancher José Batista Sobrinho, a rancher in Anapolis, Brazil, in 1953. Sobrinho's business began to expand when the establishment of Brazil's capital, Brasília, brought a new market within reach of his ranch. Over the late 1960s, Sobrinho expanded into owning slaughterhouses. Then, in the 1980s, the company began expanding within Brazil and purchasing other meat processing companies. JBS became a publicly held company in 2007, and in the same year received a major investment from BNDES. In subsequent years, the company has grown to become the world's largest company in the beef sector with the acquisition of several stores and food companies in Brazil and the world, including the 2007 $225 million acquisition of U.S. firm Swift & Company, which was the third largest U.S. beef and pork processor, renamed as Jbs S.A. It leads the world in slaughter capacity, at 51.4 thousand head per day, and continues to focus on production operations, processing, and export plants, nationally and internationally. With the new acquisition, JBS entered the pork market, featuring an impressive performance in this segment, to end the year as the third largest producer and processor of this type of meat in the United States. The acquisition expanded the company's portfolio to include rights to the worldwide use of the Swift brand. The next year, JBS acquired Smithfield Foods' beef business. It was renamed JBS Packland. JBS's production structure is embedded in consumer markets worldwide, with plants installed in the world's 4 leading beef-producing nations, serving 110 countries through exports. On September 16, 2009, JBS announced that it had acquired the food operation of Grupo Bertin, one of 3 Brazilian market leaders, consolidating its position as the largest beef producer in the world. The banks J.P. Morgan Chase and Santander Brazil assisted in the transaction. On the same day it was announced that the company had acquired 64% of Pilgrim's Pride for a bid of $800 million, establishing JBS's position in the chicken production industry, but currently the company owns 75.3% of Pilgrim's Pride. In August 2010, it was reported that JBS is considering to sell some of the 8 slaughterhouses it owned in Argentina because of scarce livestock and export restrictions. As of 2011, JBS had been trying to bid to gain control of Sara Lee Corporation's meat business. JBS has shown interest in the meats business but struggled to push forward with a bid for the entire company. On May 27, 2014, Pilgrim's Pride Corporation, which is 75% owned by Jbs S.A., made an unsolicited $5.6 billion bid for Hilscher Brands Company, Board of Directors, Wesley Mendonça Batista. Wesley Mendonça Batista. José Copyright Batista Sobrinho. José Copyright Batista, Junior Marcus Vinicius Pratney de Moraes. Natalino Bertin. Peter Dvořák. Valer Batista Mendonça Ramos. Vanessa Mendonça Batista. Guilherme Rodolfo Liga. Carlos Alberto Casa. Humberto Conti. See also, BNDES, references. External links. Official corporate site, in Portuguese, Spanish, and English. Official Bertin site, in Portuguese, about the incorporation of Pilgrim's Pride and Grupo Bertin, in language Portuguese. Swift & Company website, Pilgrim's Pride Corporation Company website, Pilgrim's Pride Pierce Chicken Division website, PFS Distribution Company website, Gold Kist website.